Hi everyone, so today we'll be going through the Pop Quiz 2 of the kinetic particle theory. So in Pop Quiz 2, I think the description of the arrangement of particles as well as the description of the movement of particles, we can find it in our notes, so I wouldn't go through this, but I would like to go through the techniques of answering the next few questions. So let's look at question number 1. Question number 1 says that X has a melting point of 27 degrees Celsius and a boiling of 75 degrees Celsius. So then we asked to know what temperature is X a liquid. So we know that something is a liquid when it's between the melting point and the boiling point. So answering questions are about strategy. So firstly, we need to find 27 degrees Celsius. So based on this number line that you can see over here, 27 degrees is around here. Okay, so I'm going to write here, melting point. 27 degrees is around here. And then boiling point is 75 degrees Celsius and boiling point is over here. So we know that below melting point, it is a solid. Between melting and boiling point is a liquid. And above boiling point is a gas. So using this strategy, it is very, very clear to you that at C, right? At C over here, liquid X is a liquid. All right, so the answer here is C. So let's look at this using this same strategy for question number 2. So question number 2, the way is to draw two lines here. This is my melting point and this is my boiling point. And I know that above boiling point is a gas, between melting point and boiling point is a liquid, and below melting point is a solid. Now, I need to know where I want to find out. So RTP stands for room temperature and pressure, and room temperature and pressure is 25 degrees Celsius. Right? So let's look at the first number line here. So we got A. So A, if I draw a number line here, the 0 is somewhere around here. So what you should do is you should write the number 25 here. So we can tell that A at 25 degrees Celsius is in the gas zone, right? So 25, this one is a gas. Next number line, substance B. Where is the number 25? So the number 25 should be between here, right? The exact position is not very important. We just need to know that it's between 70 and minus 5. That is why I want to see in your work these two lines over here to show that you can tell that 25 is in between minus 5 and 70. So we can tell that at room temperature, B is a liquid. So where is 25? Right, in substance C. So 25 is over here, right, below 78. So we can tell that C is a solid. And finally, where is 25 for D? So D is negative numbers. So for D, 25 would be right over here. And this would be a gas. So this is how we answer this over here, right? So now we need to use this number lines to answer the next few questions. So let's look at B part 1. So they ask for which letter would melt when placed in boiling water. So firstly, melt means go from solid to liquid. And boiling water has a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. That means at first it's solid, and then at 100 degrees Celsius, it will be a liquid. So 100 is over here, right, for A. 100 is over here for B. And 100 is over here for C. And 100 is over here. So you must go from solid to liquid. So I guess we are choosing C because it goes from solid to liquid at 100 degrees Celsius. So that means B1 should be C. Which one exists as a liquid over the largest range of temperature? So we need to take this temperature over here. Let me use the green highlighter over here to here. What is the distance between these two? So you do your math, press your calculator, and you should find that actually C is the widest also, because you take 499 minus 78. So C is the widest. Right? Which one will have a physical change when I change from 10 to 50? So let's use the number line again, find out where 10 and 50 is. So I shall use my blue ink. So 10 is here. 10 is here. 10 is here, and 10 is over here. And then where's 50? So I'll use my blue ink again. 50 is here, 50 is here, and 50 is here, and 50 is here. So as you can see, only in A, right? Only in A, 10 is in liquid and 50 is in gas. So there's a change in state. But for B, 10 and 50 is within the same place. For C, 10 and 50 is within solid. And for D, 10 and 50 is within gas. So that means the only substance that changed its physical state when heated from 10 to 50 is substance A. Alright, so that's how you solve this question. Alright, let's look at the last question. So over here, we are having a compound P, and it has a melting point of minus 33 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of 66 degrees Celsius. So I need to sketch a heating curve of P from minus 100 to 100. So I need to start at 100 and end at 100. But you also know that minus 33 needs to be there as well as 66 needs to be there. So it will go up at 33, it will pause for a while, then it will go up to 66, and at 66 they will pause for a while, and then it will go up all the way to 100 over here, and it will end over here. You also know that at this point, this is all solid. This is solid plus liquid. This is liquid. This is liquid plus gas. And over here, this is gas. Right, so that's how you do Pop Quiz 2, and I hope that has been very helpful for you. Please watch this video again if you have trouble with your Pop Quiz 2. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye.